What's up guys, it's your boy Ivan here. We're about to do an installation of Underglow street lights. Oh yeah. So not only these street lights are very nice, but they have multicolor and everything. It's gonna be awesome. So we're gonna do this on a Scion FRS. Best things you guys need is just basically your little drill bits, some rope so you can do like a fish line, through wherever you're gonna pull that cable. You need some gloves, your alcohol to wipe all the sides of each car, so that way the adhesive that comes with this is kind of cheap, but I bought some double-sided tape used to make that. You also need your dikes, your zip ties, and some clips. I do recommend get clips because it's coming raining season, and definitely these so you can install in your battery. I'll show you how to do that also. But yeah, so you also need just your, you need your damn jacks. Yes, we can jack that car up. So yeah, so we're gonna connect it all hardwired. That way you could just connect it to your phone and see how it looks. So hopefully it will come out good. And let's get started. All right guys, stay tuned. So what I got here is also, you gotta stretch out all the cables that come into your kit, LED kit. So just make sure you have your everything separated and where it's gonna go, so you can not have all these tangled cables, of course. So here we go. Let's see. So far this is just how it goes. Okay, so I wanted to show you to run your cables, and the main one is here. Let me show you, sorry about the camera. So this guy is the one for the battery. So the hardwire battery. So we want to run that cable. So this is why I have an extra rope, just as you can use it as a fish tape, or So you're gonna have to find the only one on your Toyota 86 or BRZ, or it's right there. So see where I'm running that? Just any regular cable. Open that up. You can put silicone later on, maybe to close it, to seal it, so no water can go into your car later on. So we're gonna have to do something, modify there, but that will go underneath. Over here, I'll show you. See the rope? That's the rope right there, and it comes from underneath the vehicle. Let me see if I can get a better spot for you guys to see. It comes from inside, same from the glove compartment. So yeah, so that's where you want to run it. You can see the cable right there, and it comes all the way here from there, so that you'll be getting all your cable and your power from there. That way your Bluetooth device won't be wet, and then all the cables will be inside and they're reachable, and then you could just zip tie everywhere in your motor from underground. So let's see how it ends up, guys. So that's the main tip, okay? So just run it from there. You should be good. Any good opening, and then maybe we could seal it up there with silicone or something. It's Gorilla silicone. Going through there is just gonna be too hard running the cable, since you already have cables in there. So instead of fishing like I told you before in here, like in that one right there going into the glove box, I did a different way. So I went to put the wireless, I don't know if you can see it down there, the little box. It's in there. So let's see. So I ran the cables here. So you can have the Wi-Fi connector going up in here, and then it's just splitting here. That way you just have a straight shot going down and make a whole loop. And when you come bring these wires from inside here, and then you can see, I'll show you the boxes right here. A little Wi-Fi box is somewhere in there, but it's in there. Wi-Fi box, I gotta connect it right there, so that power to the battery comes here, and that way you just connect it. That way, guys, you just shoot straight, coming down through here, shoot straight, and then it's easier, just like that. You just gotta put a black tape on the connectors so no water can get in there, and just make sure. So not done yet. Almost there. All right, guys, here we go. So I connected random cable underneath, so you want to see how got my drill bit here, Robbie, and you got your little connectors. These guys might work, but this is for electrical wires, so it could just hold up on stronger adhesive. So I use the double-sided tape. You know, the Walmart cost me like $4 each. So Gorilla one double-sided is $20 at Home Depot, but I went with that, so I said it's cool. So you can see how I ran it all the way in there. See, so as you can see, you can barely see it all the way in there. It's going there, and we're gonna put these clips. After we put these clips, we're gonna put all the nice little wires. They're all over there like crazy. I'm gonna use those zip ties that we got here. They come with a package, but you can buy some also at Home Depot, a pack of 40 for $2.99. So yeah, here we go, guys. Let's see how we drill these suckers in there, because that adhesive right there, as you can see, I don't know if I could trust it. You know, I mean, I put extra, but still, let's just make sure it sticks when it rains. All right, here we go. This is how you go underneath the backside, which I ran through there. It's very hard because you can't be touching the hot muffler, so I did some modification with tie wrap, double-sided tape, another tie wrap to that grill, and then just right there, you can see, just going like that. So if you do it underneath the skirt right here, it looks ugly, like sticking out. So that's what I did. The other side too. As you can see, did the tie wrap like that. Running everything, running all the cables here, guys. So from the Wi-Fi compactor down there. So they never tell you in the videos, oh, red is positive with a cross and negative is with a negative. And we're gonna put them positive and negative. So you can leave these guys, you can get these little connectors right here, you know. You can see them, Walmart or Home Depot. Yeah, and we connect those and it's showtime. So let's see how it goes. So you can use rubber gloves and just have a, you know, unscrew these guys right here. Never cross your cables, just like Ghostbusters. So here it is, guys. Finished product. Of course, you got to test it at night. So here it is. It took me about 5 hours because I'm new to this, but I got it. So pretty good. Check it out. All around, different strobe lights. Gives definitely more look to your car. Oh yeah. So you can see right there. Awesome. Amazing strobe lights. For show, for show. And there it is, final product. Came out pretty good. Fancy, fancy. you want to play a little bit of 5-0, I guess we could play racing with the cops. So just between you and me, it's hot. Just the little strobe lights. These ones are the ones that are illegal to drive with. You can't drive with these. But for show, it's still good. And one of my favorite classics, Knight Rider. So you got Kit right here. Amazing, just amazing. Who said Underglow is back? And black with purple always makes a kind of astonishing, cool look. There we go.